We are going to start with the rule number 3. Already rule 1 and rule 2 of definition integration is already studied. Rule number 3 is a very important and a very simple kind of a rule. The rule has been identified with the integration limits itself. The limit goes from minus a to a. The rule says integration minus a to a f of x dx. So what you need to do, you need to check out the function f of x, what kind of function it is. If it's an even function, then the rule has been different, and if it's an odd function, the answer of this particular integration is directly the 0. Okay, so first of all, you should revise how to get that function identified. How you can identify the function, whether it is even or odd. Just put x in place of, just put minus x in place of x. To replace x by minus x, and if you are getting f of minus x after replacing x by minus x, you are getting f of minus x as the original function f of x again, then it's an even function. And f of minus x डालने के बाद, x की जगह पे minus x डालने के बाद, if f of minus x comes out to be minus of the original function, minus of f of x, then it is an odd function. अगर function odd है, f of minus x is equal to minus f of x आ गया, then we will write the answer of this particular rule as directly 0. And if it's an even function, f of minus x is equal to f of x again, original function, then you have to speak this: double the integration, half the domain. Double the integration, we have to multiply by 2 outside the integration, and domain ko half karo. Now what is the domain? What is the limit given? Minus a to a. If I plot it on a number line, the 0 will be at the center, minus a to the left hand side and plus a to the right hand side. तो माइनस ए टू ए इतना बड़ा डोमेन या रेंज है, उसको आपको हाफ करना है. हाफ करना मीन्स 0 to a ले सकते हैं. सो डबल द इंटीग्रेशन, हाफ द डोमेन. सो इट इज 2 इंटीग्रेशन 0 to a and the rest of the thing as it is, f of x dx, when it's an even function. So अगर minus a to a is the limit of the integration, then you check out first of all whether the function is even or odd. अगर function odd है, means f of minus x comes out to be minus f of x, directly answer is 0 for that particular question. But if the function f of x given to you is an even function, means f of minus x comes out to be f of x, then in that case you have to speak this: double the integration, half the domain. So it is 2 integration 0 to a, not minus a to a anymore, it is 0 to a f of x dx. Let's take up some of the problems. Look at problem 31. If integration given to you as minus 1 to 1 x square upon 1 plus x square dx. Now the hint for me to apply rule number 3 is the limits of the integration. Minus a to a. Minus a to a. It is minus 1 to 1. So minus a to a resembles to minus 1 to 1. Perfect. So its rule number 3 can be applied. So what is f of x? Whatever integration function is given to you to integrate is your f of x. So f of x is x square upon 1 plus x square. Put x as minus x, replace x as minus x everywhere. तो f of minus x is equal to, किसी को भी मत चुन के डालो, f of minus x is equal to minus x the whole square upon 1 plus minus x the whole square. Minus x the whole square is obviously x square, so x square upon 1 plus x square, which is again the original function f of x. So f of minus x gets converted into f of x again. That means the function is even. अगर even है तो क्या बोलना है आपको? Double the integration, half the domain. So it is 2 times integration half, minus 1 to 1 था. Now half क्या होगा? 0 to 1. So it is 2 times integration 0 to 1, the original function x square upon 1 plus x square. Takes same problem as it is. Just to double the integration, half the domain बोलो, if it's even. Okay. Now x square upon 1 plus x square, इसका integration कैसे solve करेंगे? Go for the adjustment, adjusting the denominator in numerator, because the coefficient x square are exactly same. Correct? Numerator में जो variable है x square, that's the same variable is in the denominator as well, x square. So get the numerator adjusted as the denominator. So what I need to do, I need to add 1 and subtract 1. So 1 plus x square minus 1. 1 plus x square denominator separate करो, 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square is 1, and 1 upon 1 plus x square is 1 upon 1 plus x square with minus sign in between. So within the integration there is 2 outside the integration 0 to 1, and within the bracket it is 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Separate the integration, keep the 2 outside the whole bracket and separate the integration in. So integration of 1 and integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square. Integration of 1 is what, obviously x, and integration 1 upon 1 plus x square, I can write that 1 as 1 square. So it looks like 1 upon a square plus x square, or 1 upon x square plus a square. Integration 1 upon x square plus a square is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. So it is 1 upon 1 tan inverse x upon 1. Limit 0 to 1 for both the integrations. Okay, don't forget the limit, it is 0 to 1. So how the limit is substituted? In place of x, upper limit minus in place of x, lower limit. So wherever x is seen, upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0 for both. So it is x, middle upper minus lower. So it is 1 minus 0. बीच में माइनस है, अगेन ब्रैकेट अपर माइनस लोअर फॉर द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द इंटीग्रेशन. 1 अपॉन 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, tan इनवर्स x अपॉन 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, जस्ट tan इनवर्स x विल डू. ओके, तो x की जगह पे 1, x की जगह पे 0 विथ माइनस इन बिटवीन. तो tan इनवर्स 1 माइनस tan इनवर्स 0, tan इनवर्स 0 बट ऑब्वियसली 0, tan इनवर्स 1 pi by 4. 1 minus 0, the first bracket, 1 minus 0 is 1 only. So it is 1 minus pi by 4, 2 outside multiplied. So get that 2 in, multiplies to both the terms, so it is 2 minus pi by 2. That's the answer. Second problem, exactly the same one. Integration minus 1 to 1, 1 upon 1. The earlier problem was x square upon 1 plus x square. This is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now the limit is minus 1 to 1, resembles to minus a to a. Rule number 3. Chalo, f of x को identify करो whether it is even or odd. So it is, what is f of x? 1 upon 1 plus x square. Put x की जगह पे minus x. So when I put x की जगह पे minus x, f of minus x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus minus x the whole square, which is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Again, original function f of x comes in. So f of minus x equal to f of x, that means the function is even. Even आता है तो क्या करते हैं? Double the integration, half the domain. So it is 2 integration half करो. Minus 1 to 1 is being changed to 0 to 1. The same function 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. And we have just calculated this 1 upon 1 plus x square. कैसे मारते हैं? 1 को 1 square लिखो, and it resembles to the formula 1 upon 1 square plus x square, 1 upon x, a square plus x square, 1 upon a tan inverse x upon, where a is 1 and x is x only. So 1 upon 1 tan inverse x upon 1, that is tan inverse x upon 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, tan inverse x. लिमिट जानना मत बोलो, upper is 1, lower is 0. In place of x upper minus in place of x lower. So it is 2 ब्रैकेट के बाद tan inverse x की जगह पे 1 minus x की जगह पे tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4, tan inverse 0 is 0. So it is 2 into pi by 4, answer is pi by 2. Okay, same minus pi to pi. Integration limit is minus pi to pi. Again it is minus a to a. So tells me it's rule number 3. What is function? Cos square. चलो, f of x is cos square. x की जगह पे minus x डालो. So it is f of minus x is equal to cos square of minus x. Square I can move out, but is cos of minus x. But cos of minus theta is cos theta. Minus of cos doesn't come out. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So cos of minus x is cos x. उसका square तो cos square x. Again the function remains the same, the original function, even if I substitute x as minus x. So f of minus x is f of x, so it's an even function. Even है तो क्या करेंगे? Double the integration, half the domain. So it is 2 integration minus pi to pi will change to 0 to pi. So it is 2 integration 0 to pi cos square x dx. Now if it is only cos inside the integration, the answer is very simple. Integration of cos x is sin x upon coefficient of x. But if it is cos square, तो पहले square को हटाना पड़ेगा. How you can do that? You can do that with a simple formula. Cos square x का formula है 1 plus cos double angle upon 2. That is 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. The angle earlier was x, cos square x. क्या फॉर्मूला क्या है? 1 प्लस कॉस डबल एंगल अपॉन 2, स्क्वायर इज बीन रिमूव. तो 1 प्लस कॉस 2x होल अपॉन 2. होल अपॉन 2 यू कैन टेक इट आउट, तो 2 गेट्स इन कैंसिल, बाहर वाला और अंदर वाला, एंड 1 प्लस कॉस 2x का इंटीग्रेशन वन. एज देयर इज प्लस इन बिटवीन, अगेन सेपरेट एंड आई हैव द इंटीग्रेशन. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 इज x लिमिट्स बट ऑब्वियसली 0 टू पाई, एंड इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos 2x. cos 2x का इंटीग्रेशन आता है sin 2x डिवाइड बाय कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x, दैट इज 2. तो sin 2x डिवाइड बाय 2, लिमिट 0 टू पाई. इन प्लेस ऑफ एक्स अपर, इन प्लेस ऑफ एक्स लोअर, बीच में माइनस. तो x की जगह पे पाई माइनस 0, x की जगह पे सेकेंड इंटीग्रेशन साइन 2 पाई अपॉन 2 माइनस साइन 2 इंटू 0 अपॉन 2 इंटू 0 इज 0, साइन 0 अपॉन 2, साइन 0 इज 0, 0 अपॉन एनीथिंग, आंसर इज 0. तो लास्ट टर्म गेटिंग कैंसल. साइन 2 पाई इज ऑल्सो 0, 0 अपॉन 2 इज गेटिंग कैंसल, विच ऑल्सो इज 0, एंड पाई माइनस 0, दैट इज द ओनली थिंग विच इज बिन रिमेनिंग. सो आंसर इज पाई. Okay. Next problem, again minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1. Again it tempts me to use rule number 3, minus a to a. Correct? Whatever function is, first of all check it out, whether it is even, whether it is odd. अगर even है तो double the integration of the domain, अगर odd है तो direct answer is 0. Just check out the function x square sin x upon 1 plus cos x. That's my f of x. Put x as minus x everywhere. So f of minus x is equal to minus x the whole square sin of minus x upon 1 plus cos of minus x. As I already told you, cos of minus theta is cos theta. So cos of minus x is cos x. So denominator is 1 plus cos x. That's not a problem. Minus x the whole square, again it will be minus into minus will be plus x square. That is also not a problem. What is cos of minus theta? Cos of minus theta is minus cos theta. Minus comes out when, sorry, sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. If it is sin, then the minus comes out. So sin of minus x is minus sin x. So बाकी सब तो प्लस हो गए, but sin of minus x keeps that entire term as negative. So it is minus x square sin x upon 1 plus cos x. Minus को थोड़ा बाहर निकालो, x square sin x upon 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x is the original function f of x. So it is minus f of x. So f of minus x comes out to be minus f of x, means it's an even function, sorry, odd function. An odd function के लिए the answer of the integration is directly 0. No calculation is required. Answer is directly 0. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Limit minus 1 to 1, integration minus 1 to 1 x upon 1 plus x square. Now again it is minus integration minus a to a, limits are minus a to a, so rule number 3 can be applied. Choose the function. What is the function? X upon 1 plus x square. चलो डालो, x की जगह पे minus x डाल देते हैं. When I put x की जगह पे minus x, the function comes out to be f of minus x is equal to minus x upon 1 plus minus x the whole square. Minus x the whole square is x square, so it is minus x upon 1 plus x square. Minus थोड़ा सा बाहर निकालेंगे, x upon 1 plus x square, which is the original function, so it is minus f of x. So f of minus x comes out to be minus f of x, means the function is odd, and odd function के लिए answer is no requirement of calculation, directly 0. Okay, चलो और एक important problem करते हैं. Problem is integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x sin x. Okay, so it is integration minus a to a दिख रहा है. So rule number 3 can be applied. What is function? F of x, x sin x. x की जगह पे minus x डाल देते हैं. So it is f of minus x is equal to minus x sin of minus. As I told you, sin का negative comes out. Okay, so sin of minus x is minus sin x. And already there is minus outside as minus x. So minus into minus will be plus. So it is x sin x again, which is original function. So f of minus x is equal to f of x, means the function is even. As it's an even function, क्या बोलूँगा मैं? Double the integration of the domain. Integration को double करो means multiply by 2, and integration का limit half करो. It was minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 earlier. Half करेंगे तो 0 to pi by 2 हो जाएगा. x sin x dx. तो इंटीग्रेशन मारना है 0 to pi by 2 x sin dx, 2 multiplied outside the integration. Now is it looking like 2x with dot, 2 functions of x with dot in between for integration? So definitely it is integration by parts. 2 functions of x dot आ गया, इंटीग्रेशन में है, तो it is integration by parts. पहले अरेंज कर लो LIATE. L stands for logarithmic, I stands for inverse function, A arithmetic functions, T trigonometric functions, and E exponential functions. Now can I see arithmetic function and trigonometric function over there? X is arithmetic, sin x is trigonometric. So according to LIATE, A comes first, arithmetic comes first, means x comes first, and then उसके बाद trigonometric, sin x उसके बाद आता है. Once I am done with the arrangement of LIATE, I will choose what the first function as u, second function as v. So u is x and v is sin x. Formula डालो, formula must be by heart. By parts का formula क्या है? u integration v dx minus integration I should say double integration v dx d by dx of u, that is derivative of u, into dx. So what is u? Substitute. What is u? x. तो x integration sin x dx minus integration वापस sin x dx, derivative of the first, that is derivative of x d by dx of x dx. Okay, चलो go for the integration. Sin x का integration क्या आता है? Sin x का integration है minus cos x divided by coefficient of x, which is 1. तो upon 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. So it is x as it is. The integration of sin is minus cos x minus बाहर वाला इंटीग्रेशन वैसे रखो, अंदर वाला इंटीग्रेशन sin x मार लेंगे, which is minus cos x. Derivative of x is 1 dx. So it is minus cos x into 1 dx. Minus को थोड़ा बाहर निकालो, minus will become plus for that inner integration. तो इंटीग्रेशन मारना है cos x का इंटीग्रेशन आता है sin x. लिमिट डालो पूरे के लिए 0 to pi by 2. So it is minus x cos x plus साइन एक्स इंटीग्रेशन 0 टू पाई बाय टू, अपर माइनस लोअर, अपर डालना है पूरा x में अपर डाल दो, माइनस पूरा x में लोअर लिमिट डाल दो, सो x की जगह पे पाई बाय टू जाएगा। सो 2 ब्रैकेट डालना मत भूलो, 2 बड़ा ब्रैकेट, उसके बाद छोटा ब्रैकेट, अपर लिमिट इन प्लेस ऑफ x, दैट इज माइनस पाई बाय टू कॉस पाई बाय टू प्लस साइन पाई बाय टू, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, माइनस अनदर ब्रैकेट फॉर द लोअर लिमिट, दैट इज माइनस 0 इंटू कॉस 0 प्लस साइन 0, व्हाट इज साइन 0, साइन 0 0 गया, 0 इंटू कॉस, कॉस 0 इज नो डाउट 1, बट 0 इंटू एनीथिंग आंसर इज 0, वो भी टर्म गया। नाउ साइन पाई बाय टू बचा, साइन पाई बाय टू इज 1 एंड कॉस पाई बाय टू, व्हाट इज कॉस पाई बाय टू, 0, तो 0 इंटू नेगेटिव पाई बाय टू गया, कैंसर, सो ओनली वन टर्म रिमेन्स इन दिस इज साइन पाई बाय टू, आंसर इज 1 फॉर दैट। ओके, सो 2 इंटू 1 आंसर इज 2, समझ में आया? ओके, थैंक यू गाइज, थैंक यू।